So back to another YouTube video. Today we're playing No Limit Drag Racing by Drift Jeep. I made it into a drag Jeep. Let me see. Easy Streets. He's back on it. Now I'm back in the version, but let's see how much money I have, right? Yeah, I saw the call. Sorry. But today we are buying a new one. For that much though. And it'll be this. I'm sorry you don't know what this is, but yeah. I might have to give more money, but this is it. The Topsky call. But I got paid for the easy street. Sorry for that noise. That is one of my neighbors who are leaving. I think. I don't know what they're doing, but my screen is glitching out, so I might do this for my game. So I'll pause and see you when I get to it. Sorry, my game crashed. So I get back to it when I get back to the screen. So I decided to leave it how it is because I got told when you buy a car, just leave it how it is. You win 95% of the time. So I'm guessing I gotta do something, if you know what I mean. So if you want better grip, iron the back towel, so I'm gonna iron it back about 2 clicks, so I can get more money. I can't do that. Crap. I can smoke these people with this car. I can tell you that right now. I did it 3 times. And I'm working on tunes right now for my Corvette. I'm getting around 5.0, maybe 6.0, sometimes 5.9. I'm waiting for that right now. After this video goes out, so I'll see when I get enough money to fix it. I might tell you something. When the Jeep get down and go, it goes. I'll show you. So, excuse me. But when the Jeep get down and go, it do burnout when you're taking off the line. Because it's a drift. And I win a lot with this. If I put slicks on it, it does wheelie. So I might have the wheelie balls on it because I was racing with slicks. But if I don't race with slicks and leave how it was for drifting, I'll show you. So, first speed goes. And just do this all the way down. So go watch when I built this to drifting, and you win 95% of the time. I'm not lying, so save up at least 200,000 and do what I did. Do the Jeep, okay? Bye. And see if I get enough to build the other car. So the last person in the race almost smoked me, but you know me. It wouldn't pass because I passed the finish line. I got 3 bumpers, and I'm sorry, you can hear them laughing. That is my uncles and outside talking. So I got that much and that much gold. Let me race some more and see if I'll see you when I get enough. Okay, bye, and I'll see you in a minute. Well, guys, I just got back from racing. Let me see. So, let's go here. Boom, 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 boom. Mash that out. A boom, boom. Come here. Wait. Nah. Nah, I don't want no pill shoots. Boom. Okay. You see. Okay. So last kill. Okay. That's perfect right there. Don't see that white. Right there. Excuse me. Okay. Boost. Leave that there. Okay, let's run the dino and see. Look at that though. I'm sorry for all the coughing in the background. It's kind of my fault picking this spot that I'm sitting at. Okay, look at that. Got perfect. I really like it. Not gonna change the hood because that decal rims is gonna stay. The paint gonna stay. I really like it. Let's make it better grip in the real. Let's do that in back. Okay. Let's go test run it, see how good it goes now. But I bought this already and I made it into a drag car, a drift car. If you want me to show you how to make it, I'll show you. But you know me, I'll show you in a minute after I test this out. See what do I want to do with it. So I think the drift car will be better. But yeah, I think the drift car will be better. But if y'all say, just tell me in the comments, please. I can set it up the same way again. I'm gonna take the wheelie bars off, and the tiles gonna be different. Just comment down below and see what you want me to do with it. Because I can make it fast or a drift version. And I'm about to do the drift version to show you how I did the drift version. Earlier I made it. Come here, take that off. Excuse me. I like it. Dang it, if I didn't hit that, I'd be perfect. Just comment down below what you want me to turn this into, and I might do it. But yeah, I don't want to tell you what the car sold for it, but I'm gonna save up my money on this game, and I'm hoping the new Offer Outlaws update comes out super soon. Because it would be awesome. I saw a sneak peek of it, and I really like it. I put drag stripes on it. This. But here, my drift Jeep. in a couple days, I think. I really don't know. Let me go see how many more days it would be until I get $10 to spend on a credit card. Then I'll buy some more. Then I'll buy something for y'all on here. So let me go see.